Diabetes affects millions worldwide. Many misconceptions lead to confusion and fear. We aim to debunk common myths and provide accurate information. Living with diabetes is challenging, worsened by misinformation. Understanding facts helps us make informed health decisions. Shedding light on myths empowers individuals to take control. We explore the science behind diabetes and its causes. Evidence-based information dispels myths and offers practical advice. Managing diabetes effectively requires a multifaceted approach that includes medication, lifestyle modifications, and a deep understanding of the condition itself. Accurate information is crucial in empowering individuals with diabetes to make informed decisions about their health. When armed with the right knowledge, individuals can work collaboratively with healthcare professionals to develop personalized treatment plans. They can better understand the impact of different foods, exercise, and medication on their blood sugar levels. This knowledge enables them to make healthier choices and take proactive steps in managing their condition. Furthermore, accurate information helps to dispel the stigma and fear surrounding diabetes. It allows individuals to separate myths from facts, reducing anxiety and promoting a more positive outlook on living with the condition. By understanding the truth about diabetes, individuals can feel more confident in their ability to manage their health and live full and active lives. In the following sections, we will debunk 3 prevalent myths about diabetes, providing evidence-based information to clarify misconceptions and empower individuals with the knowledge they need to thrive. One of the most pervasive myths is that diabetes is solely caused by consuming excessive sugar. While sugar can contribute to weight gain, a risk factor for type 2 diabetes, the relationship is more complex. Diabetes is a chronic condition with high blood sugar levels. There are 2 main types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is an autoimmune disease. Type 2 is characterized by insulin resistance. While excessive sugar intake alone does not directly cause diabetes, it can contribute to weight gain and obesity, which are significant risk factors. Excess sugar is stored as fat, leading to insulin resistance. Genetics, family history, ethnicity, and age play significant roles. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight can reduce the risk. Section 5. Myth number 2. Diabetics can't eat any carbs. Another common misconception about diabetes is that individuals with the condition must eliminate carbohydrates from their diet completely. This myth stems from the fact that carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which can raise blood sugar levels. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients essential for our bodies to function correctly. They provide us with energy, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Completely eliminating carbohydrates from our diet can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. For individuals with diabetes, the key is not to avoid carbohydrates altogether, but to manage their intake effectively. This involves understanding how different types of carbohydrates affect blood sugar levels and choosing healthier options. Section 6. Separating fact from fiction. Carbohydrates and diabetes management. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Simple carbohydrates, such as those found in sugary drinks and processed foods, are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are digested more slowly, resulting in a more gradual rise in blood sugar. Individuals with diabetes can manage their carbohydrate intake by monitoring their blood sugar levels, choosing healthy carbohydrate sources, and practicing portion control. Carbohydrate counting is a helpful tool that involves tracking the amount of carbohydrates consumed at each meal or snack. By working with a registered dietitian or certified diabetes educator, individuals can develop a personalized carbohydrate counting plan that meets their individual needs. In addition to choosing healthy carbohydrate sources, it's essential to pay attention to the timing of carbohydrate intake. Spreading carbohydrate intake evenly throughout the day can help to prevent blood sugar spikes. Combining carbohydrates with protein and fiber can also slow down digestion and absorption, further regulating blood sugar levels. Section 7. Myth number 3. People with diabetes can't exercise. Contrary to popular belief, regular physical activity is highly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, meaning the body's cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing glucose to enter the cells more efficiently. This, in turn, helps lower blood sugar levels and improve overall glucose control. Furthermore, engaging in regular exercise offers numerous health advantages for individuals with diabetes, such as improved cardiovascular health. Exercise strengthens the heart and improves blood circulation, which is particularly important for individuals with diabetes who are at an increased risk of heart disease. Weight management physical activity helps burn calories and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Reduced stress levels. Exercise is an excellent stress reliever, and managing stress is crucial for overall well-being, particularly for individuals managing a chronic condition like diabetes. Section 8. Exercise and diabetes. A beneficial partnership. It's essential for individuals with diabetes to consult with their healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. This is especially important for those with diabetes-related complications, such as retinopathy or neuropathy, as certain exercises may need to be modified or avoided. Here are some practical exercise tips for people with diabetes. Start slowly and gradually increase intensity. Begin with shorter durations or lower impact activities and gradually increase the intensity and duration over time. Choose activities you enjoy. Find activities that you genuinely like and are more likely to stick with long term. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during and after exercising to stay hydrated, especially in warmer weather. Monitor blood sugar levels. Check blood sugar levels before, during and after exercise, especially when trying a new activity. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any warning signs, such as dizziness, shortness of breath, or chest pain, and stop immediately if you experience any discomfort. Section 9. Conclusion. Empowering ourselves and others with knowledge about diabetes. In conclusion, dispelling myths and promoting accurate information about diabetes is crucial for effective management and overall well-being. We have debunked 3 prevalent myths. Diabetes is solely caused by eating too much sugar. Diabetics can't eat any carbs, and people with diabetes can't exercise. Understanding the facts about diabetes empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their health. By separating myths from reality, we can reduce fear, stigma, and the potential for misinformation to negatively impact diabetes management. Let's commit to sharing this knowledge with others, promoting a more informed and supportive environment for individuals living with diabetes. Encourage your friends, family, and communities to seek accurate information from reputable sources, such as healthcare professionals and diabetes organisations. Thank you for joining us on this journey of debunking diabetes myths. Stay informed, stay empowered, and continue to be proactive in your health journey.